Hi everyone, this is Sonia from Mommy Wise meeting you live from Goa. I hope you all are doing well on this last day of the year and making the most out of the day today and having a relaxed day. Like all years, I'm sure you are also spending this time reflecting back at the year that was and looking at 2021 with the anticipation of a lot more that you would want to achieve and things that you would do for yourself. Don't worry, we all are doing that. 2020, what an year that was. What a roller coaster ride most of us had. I'm sure nobody can say that it was a great year. Yes, in certain aspects it must have been, but it was a difficult year for one and all. And I'm sure the mothers and the kids would vouch for the challenges that we faced this year and the fact that it was unlike anything that we have experienced in the past. Um all of us March we were cooking and very excited to be at home together and enjoying meals and cooking all the recipes that we could, to moving on to other months later down when we all got back to our own routines and getting back to our normal lives and all of that from the confinement of the house. And yeah, by the time it was the end of the year, we all were like just patiently and just sitting here waiting for the new year to begin, thinking that things might change next year and that we have been through enough in 2020 and it's finally over. But from the way things look like right now, it's far from over. And 2021 and the fact that we might be able to get back to our routine is still a far-fetched dream for most of us. I'm a part of it, guilty as charged, desperately looking for the schools to open up so the kids can go back and they can have a normal life, and so we can have a normal life too. But as much as all of us wanted, the way, as I said, the things look like, it still seems like a far-fetched dream. Then things will go back to uh, normal very soon, or the fact that schools will open up. Now, that's exactly why I wanted to meet everyone. And it's not that we don't know, we know it all. We know what the kids are going through. I'm sure every mom is trying their best to cope up with the situation to make it easy for their kids. But we all need reminders, day in and day out, to manage kids every hour, every other hour, and every day. So here's an insight once again from our end at Mommy Wise to help you cope up with the challenges of motherhood that I'm sure you all are going, or the file that we will have to face in the coming year as well. Be patient. Please be patient. And now let the kids be. We have tried our best in the entire year of 2020 to put them in a routine with the online classes and other things that they were supposed to cope up. But now the period has been too long for even them to understand those things or to adhere to all those routines in the confinement of the home. If you and I cannot do it, I'm sure the kids also cannot manage the things that have been going on for them as well, wherein they're not being able to move out around, move about, play outside, or be free for that matter. So please be patient with your kids, let them be, understand their perspective as well. Do not try to put too much routine and rules around them, or other thing. Now, obviously, that doesn't mean the kids go their own way with excessive TV time, tab times, and the fact that most of the kids are on the devices most of the time. But while you make plans for them, please include them in all the plans and the activities that you all are doing. Try to do it as much as possible together and involve them in all the activities that you do in the house, or keep some time for them, right? That's the only way the kids will learn. And see, learning is not always about the books that they are learning or the things that they learn from school. There is a lot of learning that the kids can have from in the home from you by spending that time together. Because one thing is for sure, spending this amount of time together is another thing that might not happen later on. Once things are back to normal, everybody will go back to their own routines. And yeah, we will miss all this time again. We will then look back and say that probably we could have spent more quality time together with the kids. but that option is still there with you. Spend that time with your kids, have more time with them, reading books, doing activities together, cooking, and just finding anything to play in the home. It necessarily does not have to be with toys, new toys, activity boxes, and all of that, though it does aid in learning, but there are enough resources in your home as well with which the kids can learn. It's only going to be about creativity and how to involve them and keep them busy with those things. As I said, uh, we, fingers crossed, we all want 2021 to be a better year than the year that was, but let's make the most of what we have already. We have our kids, we all are safe, we all are together, and things are pretty good the way they are, right? So let's not look at what is not there, let's look at what is, and that is our kids are with us, they are safe, and we can spend all the time with them right now, and this opportunity will not come back to us, right? We are putting in a lot of content there, and we will bring in January a mom's perspective, and we'll bring to you more moms who will give you their stories, who will share with you their journey and how they're coping up with the challenges of being tied up in the house with kids, work, home to take care of, limited help, and all of that. And yet, how are they coping up with those challenges and ensuring that the impact does not go to kids? We will not bring to you celebrity moms sharing their experiences, because, yeah, we do look up to them, but what we would like to bring to you is a mom's perspective, a mom that could be you, that could be me, that could be anybody around who are dealing with these challenges, because what we can learn from each other is what to do. Nobody is a perfect mom. There is no right way, there is no wrong way in that. Everybody has their own kids, every kid is different, every mom is different. So all we can do is share experiences, learn from each other, what is it that we can do, and that's what we are going to bring to you with our live sessions in January called The Mom's Perspective. Do tune into our live sessions on an ongoing basis. Follow us on Instagram, join our community on Facebook. You can talk to each other, you can ask questions. It's not only that live sessions is the only way to connect to Mommy Wise and each other. Join in our community, ask your questions, and you will get easy help, readily help available at any minute you post your queries. We have put in a lot of resources on our website as well, wherein you can read about things, read about activities that you can do with kids, how to spend time with your kids, positive disciplining, and all the aspects of parenting that you might be looking at right now. All the good information is there on the website. Do tune in, read onto those articles, and keep reading, and we'll bring to you more of information that helps you on an ongoing basis manage your kids. You can write into us, you can leave your comments, or you can personally message me onto what is the information that you're looking at, and we will fetch that information and bring it to you where you are, right? So yeah, I am in Goa right now, having a fabulous time. We'll make the most out of the last day that we are here at. And one thing that I wanted to do was meet you all in person and thank you all for all the support this year, for making us grow and reach the level that we have this year. I would say it was a fabulous year. Had it not been to coronavirus and other things, probably the things would not have reached for us to this extent. So yeah, there is a silver lining to everything, and let's look at that. So cheers to 2020, the year that was, and with great anticipation, looking forward to 2021 and doing a lot more for Mommy Wise and all of us together. Here is Sonia saying bye-bye to you, wishing all of you and your family a safe and a happy new year. May 2021 be a fabulous year for all of us. May the school open, may the kids and all of us be able to go back to our normal routines. And with all those wishes and love for you, this is me saying bye-bye. Have a great one. Happy New Year to everyone out there. Bye-bye.